is Muhammad Arif Hakimi bin Abdul Wahab. I'm from class 6XBME2. My topic for this video is solar power airplane. The research has begun starting at the year of 2009, led by Swiss engineering group. It is basically doing a research about the solar energy that is being used on the aircraft. The name of Solar Impulse 1 has been given to the first early flight that have been built and tested. It has been tested in 2010, but starting from Japan to the Hawaii. But unfortunately, during the flight to the Hawaii, it has been cut. Okay, Solar Impulse 1 has been designed to remain airborne up to 36 hours, and during the night flight up to 9 hours. But unfortunately, during the flight from Japan to Hawaii, it has been suspended because of failure on the battery pack. A second aircraft complete in 2014 and named Solar Impulse 2 has been made some improvement. There are many add-up on the system, such as add-up on more solar panel, more solar cells, and more powerful motors, among other improvements. On 9 March 2015, it has been made on their first journey, starting from Abu Dhabi and return back on Abu Dhabi on month of July. It has been recorded the longest leg of its journey. Recently, Solar Impulse 2 flight has made their journey on April 2016 when it flew to California. It continued across the US until it reached New York City in June 2016. Later that month, the aircraft crossed the Atlantic Ocean to Spain. It stopped at Egypt before returning to Abu Dhabi on 26 July 2016, more than 16 months after it had left the country. Okay, for the future analytics, during the final flight, before the completion of their circumnavigation of the globe, Andre Borchek and Bertrand Piccard announced the creation of World Alliance for Clean Technologies. This means by clean energy, the energy used for the aircraft is no more the fuel but use of solar energy. The second is Future Unmanned Solar Aircraft Project. This is made by Solar Impulse team. Next project is to develop unmanned system, unmanned solar power aircraft. Means by aircraft is maneuver itself with a remote control, without a pilot. Okay, at the economic part, it is important that we must have a research for a green energy. Green energy means sustainable energy, and it can long lasting. Then on the other parts, it can replace the fuel. The fuel is cost higher than the solar energy, solar panel itself, the battery, or the photovoltaic cell. Then the fuel also may be stop of production one day, and the fuel also produce harmful gases. Meanwhile, the solar panel energy is a green energy and doesn't produce other harmful gases. Okay, by using this solar panel energy to the airplane, it can save the environment and reduce cost on the fuel.